In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix Fortnite login failed on my PS5. So the first thing you need to do is to go into games here on your PS5, select Fortnite, and then you're going to click on the options button here on your controller and click on close game. That is very important that we do so right now. And then click on the options button here once again when you have closed the game, and then click on check for update. This is important. So as you can see, it says like this: the game or app you have installed is the latest version. But if you have a new update, it's very important that you update to the latest version, and you will get like an option to be able to click on OK if there is a new if there is a new update. And basically the second step is going to be for you to go into settings right here now, and then go into users and accounts right here. Then you're going to click on other and click on restore licenses right here. Then you're going to select Fortnite and click on restore right here, as you can see. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to finish here, and perfect. So now the last step actually is going to be for you to go back to this page right here, click on network, click on settings, and click on set up internet connection. And in here select the Wi-Fi that you're connected to, and then click on the options button on your controller here and click on advanced settings right here. Then DNS settings, change this. If you have this on automatic right now, which I'm guessing that a lot of you do, set this one to manual instead and change the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1, as you can see, and then click on done. And secondary DNS should be 1.0.0.1 and click on done here as well. And click on OK then. And you might wonder why you have to do this. Well, it's going to give you a little bit better connection most likely after you actually manually change the DNS settings. And now you can go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.